was locked, I was down and cynical, out of trust, out of faith and miracles, trying to find something real to carry me home. A twist of fate and you came to turn the page. We collide in a rush and the weather changed. You found a way, make me feel I'm not on my own. And against all odds, we found a spark. The barricades, they come apart. The time has come, I'm here to let you in. Out of the cold, into the sun, we could be something right. No holding back, no strings attached. Why don't you come closer? We connect and the nights turn beautiful, and the light in your eyes is letting me